Namaskar. If you are a builder and you are into the business of selling flats to your consumers, then we suggest you to give them value adds in terms of installed air conditioners, water purifiers, and other electronic gadgets. And yes, we are the ones who can get them to you at factory prices. You ask us for any good brand in India, and we will get them to you at your place at their factory prices. So, all you need to do is call us at 98300 29224. Remember, 98300 29224. Thank you.